Hello. This is our final project for operation and supply chain management. The company we selected is Coca-Cola. Our group is formed by Roymely Garcia, Maria Gonzalez, Jose Hebbe, and myself, Tomas Calderaro. The business. Coca-Cola is a company that started in 1886. It's a leading manufacturer, distributor, and a marketer of soft drink concentrates and syrups. The company is headquartered in Atlanta, Georgia. The North American business segment consists of the company's operation in the United States, Canada, Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands, and the Cayman Islands. The segment operates three business units: sparkling beverages, still beverages, and emerging brands. Mission. Coca-Cola's mission statement is to refresh the world in mind, body, and spirit, to inspire moments of optimism and happiness throughout our brands and actions, and to create value and make a difference. Coca-Cola is a company that focuses on leaving a legacy wherever it operates. The company highly values making a difference in individuals and communities, while at the same time letting them enjoy the greatest taste of its products. SWOT analysis. The SWOT analysis of Coca-Cola. The strengths. They have a strong brand image, the largest market share, strong brand portfolio, high customer loyalty, extensive distribution network, investment in marketing and advertising, high company valuation. Weaknesses: currency fluctuations, low presence in health drinks, water management issues, low product diversification. Opportunities: new opportunities in the growing markets, product diversification, packaged water. Threats: increased competition from the less known brands, increased cost of labor and raw materials, movement towards health drinks. Target market. Having a target market enables brands to identify their appropriate products for different kind of customers. Coca-Cola does not target a specific segment, but adapts its marketing strategy by developing new products. This company does not have a specific target, and it is addressed to everyone, but the main consumers are between 12 and 30 years old people. Even if there is no specific product or communication for less than 12 or more than 30, the brand succeeds in reaching them through partners. Their target is not based on gender, but studies show that both genders like this product and use it. Now, marketing mix. Product. The company has the widest portfolio in the beverage industry, comprising 3,300 products. Beverages are divided into categories such as diet, 100% fruit juices, fruit drinks, water, energy drinks, tea, and coffee, etc. As per Nielsen's data, Coca-Cola is the number one brand in sparkling beverage, juice, and retail packaged water in 2010. Coca-Cola has its market presence around 200 countries. Price. Due to the availability of wide range products, the pricing is done according to the market and geographic segment. Each sub-brand of Coca-Cola has different pricing strategies. Their pricing strategy is based on the competitor's price. Pepsi being the main direct competitor. Beverage market is said to be an oligopoly market, few sellers and a large buyers. Hence, they form a cartel contracts to ensure a mutual balance in prices between sellers. Place. Coca-Cola is the world's most favorite brand and is available all over the world. The distribution system of Coca-Cola follows the FMCG distribution pattern. the effective distribution network of Coke has almost eroded the small and middle level players in the market. In India, they have captured even the rural market by extensive distribution and have eroded market share of Bovonto, Calimark, etc. Promotion. Coca-Cola adopts various advertising and promotional strategies to create increased demand in the market by associating with lifestyle behavior and mainly targeting value-based advertising. You are most likely to see Coke ad individualized for a particular festival or with a general positive message. Brands. From sport drinks to enhanced waters to ready-to-drink coffees to protein-packed dairy beverages, the Coca-Cola Company offers something for everyone, all tastes, all lifestyles, all occasions, and for all times of the day.
Logistic chain strategy of the company. Logistic is an integral part of any supply chain, and Coca-Cola's logistic expertise contribute to its supply chain success. Here are some of the logistic-related best practices implemented by Coca-Cola. First one, manufacturing products on a more frequent basis once a week. Second one, implementing weekly meetings between the teams worldwide. Third one, moving the production plants closer to customers. Four, introducing daily interaction between the main sites. 5. Introducing seamless processes that are shared between all supply chain participants. Coca-Cola operates at local level. They have 225 bottling partners worldwide. So the Coca-Cola drinks arrive at these partner plants in the form of concentrate. The soft drink is then prepared at the parent bottling plant by turning the concentrate into syrup and then turning that into the product by mixing it with water, carbon dioxide, and sugar, all of which are sourced locally. The local partners can only choose the types of sugar to be used. In American, sugar from corn syrup is used, and Europe, mainly beet sugar is used. In Asia, cane sugar is used. After all the local process are finished, the finished product is packaged and delivered to the customer outlets. Coca-Cola mainly sources locally because it optimizes the supply chain, with the company needed to set up manufacturing plants close to where the sugar is grown. The less time it takes for sugar to be delivered to proceeding plants, the fewer risks persist throughout the supply chain.
So, for the applications of decisions of operation management, Coca-Cola uses a system that is called Coca-Cola Management System to manage their product quality, that will hold all of their operations in the same standards for production and distribution. It guarantees that the highest standard is quality, the environment, safety, and the health of customers. And they require each business within the Coca-Cola system must establish, implement, document, and maintain a safety and quality system in accordance with the TCC/MS requirements. In other words, Coca-Cola Managed System.
Okay, so talking about design of products and services, we have three main points that Coca-Cola uses when designing a product for the public. So the first one is the logo. The original Coca-Cola logo was first made in 1923, and they decided that as the receipt, the logo is something that should remain untouched, and that is something that they apply to every single product that they offer around the world. So as a result, the logo has been messing with the minds of the society and people for a very long time. The second one we have is the bottle. So the bottle was part of the corporation marketing strategy. And after some time, they started promoting it as much as the logo and the product itself. So Coca-Cola bottle was designed by inspiration of the shape of the cocoa pod. And it was super successful, and so it made Coca-Cola grow as a company a lot. And the third point is the location, because Coca-Cola designs every single product based on the location that they're offering that product. If you go to the World of Coca-Cola in Atlanta, you can see that they offer a huge variety of beverage around the world, and every single one is dedicated to that country, to that continent, and to that place in particular. They offer the flavor, the colors, and every single one of them is inspired by that country and that particular place. So that's a huge thing that Coca-Cola takes in account when designing a product. So in this, we see the Coca-Cola bottle through time, and this is a phrase that says, the Coca-Cola company asks bottle manufacturers to submit designs for a bottle for Coca-Cola that was so distinctive that it could be recognized by feel in the dark or identify a lane broken on the ground. That is how much a Coca-Cola bottle is recognized around the world. That you can just see a little piece of it broken in the floor and you know that it's a Coca-Cola bottle. And it has changes from like 1899 to the last one that we see here, that is in 2007. But if you compare all of them, they have tried to maintain the same shape because it is a really important thing to the company. Like I mentioned, it is as important as the taste and as the logo of Coca-Cola. Okay, the next one is quality control strategies. With Coca-Cola, quality control is one of the main things in the company because every single product should look and taste the same. And that is because they want to meet the requirements and expectations that the public has for them, because the brand has such a global presence that it is vital that they check every single product and that they maintain a consistency through all of them. So they have elements that need to be checked while on the production line to make sure that high quality is met. And the most common checks include ingredients, packaging, and of course distribution. And most of the tasting takes place during the production process. And that is why they do a lot of testing, like I said, to get to the flavor that they should have every single time with every single product that they offer. And in order to do that, they have a trained staff that are in charge of maintaining the line of production so perfect that the quality and the standards are always met. And Coca-Cola uses inspections, like I said, in the production process. So all of this that they do is to reduce the chance of product recall, because if that happens to a certain amount of product, it generates a loss for the company. So they use two things: quality control and quality assurance. And so with quality control, they mainly focus on the production line itself. And with the quality assurance, they focus more on the entire operations process and the related functions, like addressing potential problems in a very fast and quick way. So they can check all aspects of the production, maintaining consistency and quality by checking the consistency of the formula, the creation of the bottles, the filling of every single bottle, the labeling, and overall increasing the speed of the production and the quality check. And with the quality assurance, they focus on the quality of supplies that Coca-Cola offers, and for example, the ingredients that they need, like sugar and other stuff, and also the training of the staff, and ensuring that employees maintain the equipment and that they work as they supposed to in every single part of the production line.
Processes strategy. This is a continuous process that analyzes and appraises both the business and the industry in which an organization operates, and puts up goals to meet current and future competition. To enable its future business success, Coca-Cola has adopted a strategy management process that follows a four-step process: environmental scanning, strategy formulation, strategy implementation, and strategy evaluation. Environmental scanning. Coca-Cola Company undertakes a focused diagnostic of its current and potential business environment before launching its products. All external and internal influence relevant to its operations are analyzed on a continued basis. Since the company operates globally, global environment factors likely to impact on its business gain great emphasis to enable it to succeed in the expansion process. Environmental scrutiny involves facets such as tax policy, employment law, environmental regulation, and political stability. Strategy formulation. It is a process of selecting the best course of action to accomplish organizational objectives and purpose. In Coca-Cola, the process of strategy formulation begins with the creation of a mission and vision statement. This mission statement clarifies the purpose of an organization, its values, and often serves to communicate with internal and external parties and stakeholders about its strategy direction. The vision of the company has been beneficial in supporting strategy formulation, in which it says it focuses to remain a low-cost leader with an aim to gain customer loyalty and increase sales. Strategy implementation. It is the process of making the chosen strategy functional or operational as original planned. It entails modeling the structure of organization, resource distribution, designing decision-making process, and management of human resources. To achieve its strategy implementation process, Coca-Cola Company has ensured a quality management system that helps it guiding and coordinating its activity to guarantee quality. It also develops a control framework for guiding organizational and managerial systems and processes. The company believes that succeeding in a new market relies on a proper formulation of excellent strategy and keeping them. And then we have the last step, which is the strategy evaluation, that it is usually the last phase of a strategic process. In this process, the fundamental activities that Coca-Cola has considered are appraisal of external and internal environmental necessary for strategy formulation, performance measurement, and conducting remedial action. This evaluation process is imperative in ensuring the organization succeeds in meeting its objective.
Lean operation. The Coca-Cola Company has placed a focus on quality since the production of its first bottle of Coca-Cola, as industry standards regarding quality management system evolve, so has the company, while pockets of Lean Six Sigma have existed in their system for decades. A formal model global operational excellence. Since then, they have experienced several iterations, moving from a manufacturing-based Six Sigma type program to a broader scope Lean Six Sigma type program, inclusive of transitional environment as well. Coca-Cola is on the lookout for package and filters that can present innovative ideas that help take costs out of the soft drink company supply chain without sacrificing the Coca-Cola brand's equities. Coca-Cola, which was sourcing 30% of its raw material from sugarcane-based product as opposite to oil-based product. This means that it could lower its carbon footprint by up to 25%. Also, through its wholly owned subsidiary Coca-Cola Recycling, it has invested more than 300 million in huge recycling plants in major countries of operation. It has not only increased the recycling ability of the supply chain, it also has concentrated on the most critical component of its operation, water. This important not only to improve its image but also in some countries with low water tables to be able to continue producing. Reducing water inefficiency throughout the supply chain to a target of 20% by 2020 is their top priority in this area.
The Coca-Cola Company is the main beverage producer broadly and globally. It has set itself far apart from its rivals by building a strong establishment of consumers since 1896. The Coca-Cola Company showcasing machine keeps on coming up with new energizing and creative approaches to keep clients returning. They have adequately been able to execute the idea of advertising alongside setting up strong strategies. Join all of the previously mentioned with their solid nearness in the network, and you have a formula for success that the Coca-Cola Company has become used to. Thank you.